What if I told you that you could create a full 30-minute kids learning video on your phone and turn it into thousands of dollars in passive income? I'm not guessing, I've done it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use Magic Light and a few AI tools to create monetizable long-form educational content for kids, all from my iPhone. You don't need animation skills. You don't need expensive gear. Just the right tools, the right process, and the mindset to turn your content into cash. If you're ready to start creating fun, profitable kids videos that can pay you month after month, let's get started. So first we come over to ChatGPT because we need some ideas. So what you're going to put in is give me 5 ideas for kids learning videos for my YouTube channel. Now, it's going to give you some great ideas: ABC, Safari Adventure, Colors Around the World, Sing and Count to 20. So I have a bunch of really good ones. So the one I'm going to choose is Colors Around the World. Now I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to say this one and paste it in. So it gives me Zuri's Colors Around the World. So it shows me the narrator and the scene. So I'm just going to copy this story, and then I'm going to take it over to Magic Light. This tool is outstanding. You can create AI videos with just one app. I mean, you get characters, you get background sound, subtitles, all that great stuff. So you're going to click AI video. It also gives you ideas that you can use instead of using ChatGPT, but it's your choice. But we're going to paste our ChatGPT story, Zuri's Colors Around the World. And next, you're going to, so everything looks fine. Now you're going to go all the way down, and it says landscape or portrait, but we want a landscape video for the YouTube ratio. Now, as you can see, 20 to 30 minutes. That's amazing. Also, they have what language you want to use, but I'm going to choose English. There's so many to choose from. And then you get to choose a style. They have Disney, cyber, comic, Ghibli, anime, but this is the one I want to use, Kid Story, because that's what we're creating, right? I'm going to set it to 1 minute just so I can show you how to use this. Click Next. Once you have that in, it gives you a synopsis in scene 1, scene 2. It shows Suri going to London and New York and a whole bunch of other places. So we have 8 scenes here. Now you're going to click Next. Once you click Next, now you're going to have to figure out what you want your character to look like. So what does Zuri look like? So there's some that you can already choose, or you can choose your own. All you do is click here, and then you choose Create. Once you're in Create, it will ask you her name, gender, which you can choose age, child, category. We're going to choose human. And then you click OK, gender, female. And then you're going to go down and you're going to give a character prompt of what you want Zuri to look like. Now you can upload your own picture of Zuri that you already have, but I'm going to create one here. So now I'm going to paste in this prompt of describing what Zuri looks like. Then after that, you're going to click Create. It's going to take you a couple seconds, and then it brings you to what Zuri looks like. So isn't she adorable? It's literally the description of what I put in. Now you're going to click Confirm. Now you have Zuri, and now what you're going to do is click Next. Now that you have your story and your main character, now we're at the storybook board. Now, as you can see, it's showing you, it's generating the images. These are the images that they came up with for the story. Isn't this so cute? Oh, it even gives you subtitles. Okay, now the best part is once you click Next, you can bring those images to life into videos. So is what it will look like when the images are rendered. So see, her hair moves, she moves, it's like a video. So what we're going to do is animate all of them because we want a full moving interactive story. Now you can use Hallyu, Runway, or Animate Pro. That's with Magic Light Animate Pro. And then you're going to click Create. Now this whole thing is looking amazing. I know. I can't believe just one tool creates a full-blown story. You can even choose a voiceover. So there's many to choose from. I am obviously going to keep the voiceover that I have. I really like the way Sophia sounds. So I keep her. Once it's done, it will look something like this. Now, if you don't like one of your images or videos, you can always change it. Once you click next, it brings you to the cover of what your story will look like. So you can choose whatever cover photo you want. I'm just going to stick to the very first one. Now you can choose what you want your header to look like. So this is where the title is going to go. And you get to choose what style you want, and then you get to choose what style you want for your subtitles. And then you get to choose your music. So there's so many to choose from for this too. I know I'm still mind blown how great this tool is. I'm going to keep this one, and then I'm going to click generate. Now I do want to keep it 16:9 because I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel. Once it's done, this is what it will look like.
In Zuri's vibrant backyard, a young girl's innocent play turns extraordinary as she unearths a magical paintbrush. Beneath the ordinary, Zuri's curious touch awakens an otherworldly glow, signaling the start of an unexpected journey. A radiant cloud materializes, promising adventure as it envelops Zuri in a swirl of enchantment. In the misty embrace of a London street, Zuri descends, her gaze drawn to a vibrant red double-decker bus cutting through the fog. The bus honk echoes through the fog, accentuating its striking color as Zuri exclaims, "Red!" Zuri plunges into the heart of New York City, where a vibrant swarm of yellow taxis zips and darts like bees in a hive.
Once you're done, you're going to click download video and it will go straight to your phone. That is how I make long-form kids learning videos. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.